Hey, how's it going? Amelia here. Let's check out what's making news. Fortnite has been kicked off the Apple App Store. The move came after the game's developer created its own in-app payment system, which Apple wasn't too happy about. Here's Charlotte.
If you opened up the Apple App Store on your iPhone overnight, you might have noticed something pretty big was missing. Yep, there's no Fortnite. In a massive move from Apple, the game that draws in millions of players every month has been removed. It's all because Fortnite's developers, Epic Games, snuck in an update for iPhone and Android versions of the game that lets users pay Epic directly to make in-app purchases instead of going through the App Store. You see, Apple usually gets 30% of whatever sales are made in the game, and says this update cuts them out of a deal, which is totally against its guidelines. So, Epic Games is suing Apple over the removal, and even released a video in protest mocking an old Apple ad under the hashtag #FreeFortnite.
We shall prevail.
Epic Games, as well as a lot of other game developers, say app stores have too much power, and it's unfair for them to be taking such big cuts of their profits. Google soon followed Apple's lead and have removed Fortnite from the Play Store, although you can still download it directly from Epic Games. While it's a bit of an inconvenience for fans, many of them have supported the move and hope it can all be sorted out soon.
Hold on to your hats, or rather your hair, because US President Donald Trump has a real problem with his shower.
So showerheads, you take a shower, the water doesn't come out. You want to wash your hands, the water doesn't come out. So what do? You just stand there longer, or you take a shower longer? Because my hair, I don't know about you, but it has to be perfect. Perfect.
Why are we telling you this? Well, because the president thinks it's a big enough problem to change the law over. At the moment, shower heads in America aren't allowed to produce more than 9.5 litres of water in a minute. A law brought in nearly 30 years ago to, you guessed it, save on water. But now the US government wants to legally change the definition of a shower head to increase water flow. It's fair to say there's been a bit of backlash. Backsplash? Consumer groups and conservationists say it's just not necessary and really wasteful. It's time to meet an 11-year-old Nigerian ballet dancer. Anthony went viral after his teacher posted a video of him dancing in the rain. And now his journey is just beginning.
This is Anthony Mardu. He's from Lagos in Nigeria, and he has got some serious moves. It's making me dizzy. Anthony trains at the Leap of Dance Academy here in Lagos, a studio set up to provide kids with free ballet lessons.
Ballet is my life and I practice everywhere, and when I'm dancing I feel as if I'm on top of the world.
You might have seen this video before. Last month, Anthony went viral after his teacher posted this video of him dancing in the rain. More than 15 million people viewed the vid. And now Anthony's even received a scholarship to train at the American Ballet Theatre in New York.
Now I won a grand prize to go to the US in the year 2021, and I'm very, very happy about that. I'll be in the plane, and this is what I'm waiting for.
Anthony hopes that his moves will inspire other kids in Nigeria to give ballet a crack, and says he's going to keep on dancing wherever he goes.
It makes me feel very, very happy. I so much love ballet.
Now it's time to buckle down, get it together and pull your head in. Why? I can't really remember why. Just stop messing around. Oh, these aren't my glasses. If you're new to a zoo and the first of your kind here, you probably want to make a good first impression. But this pair of Indonesian Barbarossa pigs that just arrived at London Zoo are making a big old mess of themselves. Sure, it's what Booty and Beth like to do to stay cool, but still. Okay, they look very, very happy. There's been a lot of rain in New South Wales recently, even some flooding. But does Jabari, the southern white rhino at Mogo Zoo on the south coast, even care? According to this video by keepers, no. It's just all about him, isn't it? And while Italy swelters through a heatwave, these creatures at Rome Zoo were busy messing around with tasty frozen fruit treats. I'm not sure what else they were meant to be doing, but I'm sure it was important. The only serious creature out of this bunch of scallywags was this hippo. So serious. If you want to see me throw more items off screen, then how about you hit that subscribe button? You never know, it might happen again. Thanks for watching.